Listen carefully. This is not entertainment. This is someone's dignity. This is not gossip. This is harm. A woman's privacy is not a weapon, and a man who uses it that way must be called out. Mackie, tell me what kind of man you claim to be, holding private moments like a trophy for the streets to see. You say her name with no respect, no shame in your tone, but those pictures in your phone were never yours alone. You took trust and turned it into a public display. Now you're laughing with your friends while a piece fade away. Fort Lauderdale stories, but the truth runs deep. A real man protects what a woman lets him keep. What kind of power is that, built on fear and disgrace? Trying to break a woman just to save your face. You call it control, but the world can't see. That ain't strength, that's insecurity. This must stop. No more silence, no more lies. You don't own her body, you don't own her life. This must stop. Every threat, every shame, a man don't win by destroying her name. This must stop. Hear the truth, hear the call. Respect ain't respect if there's none at all. This must stop. Let it echo loud and clear. No woman should live in fear. You threaten her with images, thinking she'll stay quiet, but pain like that don't fade. It builds, it turns to riot. Not with fists, but with voices rising strong. Because what you're doing, Mackie, is deeply wrong. You turn private trust into public control, trying to dominate, trying to take her soul. But every secret you weaponize will come back around. Truth has a way of tearing darkness down. To every woman listening, you are not alone. Your voice matters, your story matters. No more hiding, no more shame. You are more than someone else's blame. And to every man watching, this is where you stand. Are you silent with him, or are you a man? Because showing those pictures, laughing in a crowd, makes you part of the problem. If you don't speak out loud, respect is not words, it's action and truth. It's how you carry yourself when no one's watching you. So ask yourself deeply when the lights go dim, are you standing for right or standing with him? This must stop. No more silence, no more lies. You don't own her body, you don't own her life. This must stop. Every threat, every shame, a real man don't play those games. This must stop. Let the world finally see respect is power, not cruelty. This must stop. Let it rise, let it ring. Dignity is everything. This must stop. No more silence, no more lies. This must stop. No more silence, no more lies. This must stop. No more silence, no more lies. This must stop. Dignity is everything. This is bigger than one name, bigger than one story. This is about respect, and respect is not optional.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What would you do if someone threatened to ruin your life online with a nude picture that they take, they video secretly, or with nude picture that you send to them? What would you do? We are exposing a dangerous situation involving dirty, bad mind, covetous Maki. What he's talking about, he have on his phone about Alicia Kim, that is gone way too far. This is not a drama. This is a crime. Hold on. This is not a drama. This is a crime. Cyberbullying is a crime. Threatening to post nude picture of someone online is a crime. And it need to be addressed the right way. My viewers and subscribers, welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I open and I feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, no matter what big, small or little, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We're going to make your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin, Jacqueline, Paulette, every single person. At least one of them are going to come care now. Go to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Please, me, I'm going to do some wellness check for the friends and the family and everybody because mental health crisis is not a joke. It is very serious. On the birthday today, happy birthday to you. Yeah, man. Happy birthday to you. If I your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday when it come. Now, guys, let us have this dialogue. Yeah? This dialogue that I have to have with you all is very serious. Serious situation. Blackmail. Hold on, man. Blackmailing is a crime. Cyberbullying is a crime. And right now, Maki is committing two crimes, big and bold, open, right, and social media. Maki is blackmailing Alicia Kim with nude picture that he have on his phone. Maki is cyberbullying Alicia Kim with things that he have on his phone, things that he knows about Alicia Kim family, which also consists of her unalive, her dad that passed away. Cyberbullying is a crime. Blackmail is a crime. My viewers and subscribers, this video is not a normal video. This video is where I am going to talk things that some of you may not like, some of you may like, but I am sick and tired of sitting down and waiting, people waiting for Maki to destroy Alicia Kim. As a matter of fact, should I say Alicia Kim is kind of sitting down waiting for Maki to destroy her? I don't know if that's a good word to use, but I'm using that word. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this. Maki should have come off of social media a while ago. Me alone cannot do it. I try my best. I do my best. I push. I do everything I can do. Now I talk about these nude pictures that Maki have. I talk about them. I tell everybody that Maki have them on his phone. Way before today. Way before today. I've been saying it now for about maybe 6 or 5 months, maybe more. I think I've been saying it about these nude pictures from last year. But apparently, people take me, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, for a joke. Now, let me say this. All of you who is out there and know that I make these videos and say these videos and say these things. I have called people, people call me, and I have dialogues with people about these nude pictures that Maki have in his phone. Apparently, people take other people's like, oh yeah, he won't do this, oh yeah, he won't do that. There's nothing you can put past Maki because Alicia Kim is the one that get away from Maki. Maki could not get to dry her up like what he did to the other rest of women. People, when I make videos, people is saying I should tell ladies to come out. The ladies don't want to come out because of this. What you see is going on. They're afraid of him still. They are afraid of him up till today's date. Now, what are we going to do about this blackmail and this bullying and this cyberbullying? What should happen? What do you think should happen? Now, I have a few ideas, I know a few things, and I'm going to say what I can say. I see a couple people asking me question what and how they can help Alicia Kim. I personally don't know how or you can help Alicia Kim. I don't know because I do not have a direct line that I talk to Alicia Kim. All I do is make my videos trying to protect her, fight the fight, do the best I can to not allow people to get ahead of her. However, what Maki have on that phone. However, guys, what Maki have on that phone, I only learned about a couple of it from last year. And I've been making videos saying that Maki have nude picture of Alicia Kim on the phone. I've been saying it. I've been saying what he have on that phone. I talked to individual and all they said to me is that he cannot post anything because if he posts it, he will be going to jail. I understand that. However, you know what? I won't say that line. I will leave that line alone. But when a man have nude picture of a woman, that's you know how dangerous that is. When I keep saying stop taking this thing for a joke, when I say stop taking this thing for a joke, I didn't mean stop taking this thing for a joke. I mean stop fucking take it for joke. That's what I mean. I may excuse me, people. Me just I'm at a point now where I just don't understand. I do the best I can. I have done so much that many of you don't know. But guess what happened? I am not, as a matter of fact, there are certain things I cannot say because I'm not like some people who give out information of telling people who I talk to and all those things. I don't do that. I don't come on the internet and say things of what I do to get help, to help. I don't come on internet show. I will not come on the internet and tell you that I call such and I call such and I talk to such. No, I will not do that. Because that's stupid. Listen to what me I say. You guys, Alicia Kim life is in danger. Alicia Kim life is in danger. Sit down and look. This man said that he will not stop until Alicia Kim come off of social media. And I keep telling you guys that he have these things in the phone. I keep telling you that what he have in the phone is what he want to use to get her down. Now let me just say this part. And many of you going to say I didn't have to say this. But do you know what brands do when they find out a certain thing about people who they're giving money to? Do you know what brands do? Do you know what brands do? Well, if you don't know what brands do, let me tell you. Brands take away their deal, their brand deal. This is what this guy is up to. So when I keep saying to you guys need to stop him. And I keep saying, get a lawyer, contact a lawyer. But if there is a lawyer, I don't see the lawyer working. The lawyer ain't doing nothing. Hold on. If there is a lawyer, that lawyer ain't doing rat shit. I have seen where people get lawyer and take down YouTube channel. I've seen where lawyer, look, don't you realize Buju Banton cannot sing that song that he have there, that song for them guys there. You notice that song cannot be played. That song cannot be played. Why you think that song cannot be played? Because those people have lawyer, and lawyer know what they're doing. It's gone. It's get from bad to worse. Listen, threat, cyberbullying. Now it's become blackmail. And are you telling me that you guys not go take this blackmail and run to authorities? I've been hearing this word about authorities flashing around left, right, and center. Now is the time you need to find authority and shut your mouth. This is where it's getting serious. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know me love you know, but me can't talk soft anymore. Me cannot talk soft anymore. A lot of people is telling me how to help Alicia Kim, how to help Alicia Kim, but listen to me good. I don't know. I do not know. Because if you're not trying to take down this guy, the real serious way, I don't know. Bullying, cyberbullying, threat, and now it reached blackmail. Blackmail. I got the porn over here. I've got the pictures over here. Him said it. Him said he have the pictures. And the only reason why he don't post them on social media is because of, well, YouTube is because of YouTube policies. He also said if you guys want the pictures, he'll send them to you. Do you think this is a joke? The joke is finished. As a matter of fact, this joke finished a while ago. Hold on a little bit. All of them women out there who is talking on the behalf of Maki, how are you feeling now that you know that Maki have? You know it for yourself because you don't believe me. How do you feel now knowing that Maki have these nude pictures that he used to be looking at, enjoying himself? Now he's looking at them, willing to show somebody them, willing to put them out on social media. How are you feeling? How are you feeling if a man should have nude pictures of you guys' daughters and ready and willing to show them to the public? How you guys really feeling right now? Eh? How you guys feeling right now? How are you feeling right now knowing that Maki said that he have these nude picture of Alicia Kim, which some of those pictures was videotaped in Fort Lauderdale? Yes, because remember when me tell you say him have cameras and all kind of something at the house down there. Me did tell you because listen me not do the allegedly business, you know. Because when me open my mouth and talk, me know what I come out of it. Some people say me talk fast, but me I try slow it down a little bit. Hold on, listen to me and slow it down. Me did tell you say the man have nude picture of Alicia Kim in her phone. Don't. And none of you no listen. None of you no believe what me say. But me tell you, now you see him use it as a blackmail. That's why him a go on and act that way because him knows him have them. Listen me good. This man say him nah come off a Alicia Kim until Alicia Kim come off a YouTube. And are you telling me that there is nothing the main subject pressing to really do? Now, let me say this to the big up crew. Big up crew, me love you, you know. Me respect you. Mm-hmm. But listen to me, big up crew. Me need you to have a dialogue with Alicia Kim, a serious one. Me need you to make Alicia Kim know that she really, if she not have a lawyer, she really need one. And when she get one, she need to take down all of them videos. Big up crew, you me I say no too no. Go pa Maki channel. Me know say only pa uno na watching channel, but uno go on the channel, take down the videos, screen record all the videos that he's threatening. Even this one is, hold on a little bit. The threat is a big one. The threat is a big one. This one, when him say him have the nude pictures, is one of the most dangerous thing him ever do on social media. This one is one of the most dangerous thing him ever do on social media. This one called blackmail. Do you know how dangerous slash cyberbullying is? It is more dangerous than a threat. And threat is dangerous. Why? Blackmail is a threat. Yeah, blackmail is a threat and also a blackmail. So a threat is just a threat. A blackmail is a threat and it's a blackmail. Meaning the blackmail is when a person holds something very dearing and damning to you and is using it against you to get you to stop, do something, or to do something, or not to do something. Now listen me good now. Alicia Kim may say, oh, I don't care. I'm going to make videos. I'm going to live my life. I'm going to do this. However, those pictures can be very detrimental to our career. Me have to talk it because it look like you have to say something real, so that means people can realize how real and serious this thing is. Now let us have this conversation. I want to get mad at me now. Because me, you know me really care about her. But me tired there now. Me have to make it, me have to say it a certain way. So that means she will understand. And who is around her will understand that this is not a joke anymore. This is not a joke anymore. The joke gone. Threat, cyberbullying, blackmail. Now, my viewers and subscribers and to all and the big up crew and the Rodneys. No, not Rodneys, the real talk massive. The talk up the things crew. The scoop with Michelle crew and Juliet crew. Listen to me good. This is what you need to do. No ask me what me I go do. Me been doing and me continue I go do. This is what you have to do. Screen record all these videos. Take out the main points out of them. If you don't have any lawyer friend or if you don't know any lawyer friend, contact the lawyer friend. Send these things to them. Ask them what to do. Let them know that you want to contact YouTube, but YouTube will not do anything when you report a video. Let them know that what you want them to do is to write a letter to YouTube of removal of Maki Boo is Back channel because of harassment, cyberbullying, bullying, and newly blackmailing. Now the reason for that now you're going to send these videos. You go send the threat one, you go send the bully one, and you go send this one where you might talk about having the nude pictures. Those three videos is three very important videos. However, if you have a lawyer and the lawyer is going to write that I am writing on the behalf of my client for a removal of this channel for bullying, harassment, cyberbullying, and blackmail of Alicia Kim. I'm telling you, if you need something to do, if you want to help her, that's how you can help her. But you have to do it by yourself or on your own. Because I'm not saying Alicia Kim is not pushing and not doing, but that's how you can help her. I have a couple of friends that I talk to who work in lawyer's office. I hope you guys are listening. If you guys are listening, I would like for you guys to try and help Alicia Kim to the best of your ability, because right now I'm telling you her life is in danger. Her livelihood is in danger. Her family is in danger. This is not a joke in matter anymore. It passed joking matter a long time ago. Guys, I'm not a person who joke around, so that's why I make video like how I make them. You may not like the way how I make videos, and I make a video one time and somebody tell me that I think I make it about Nari, and somebody tell me that I should have contact Nari to talk to Nari. But listen to me good now, and I'm being honest. If I contact a person and they don't contact me back, I'm not gonna run down nobody. I'm just being honest. So this is the way of saying what I have to say, and this is just how I'm going to say what I have to say. Because this thing is gone too far, and people take this thing for a joke. Now it reached blackmail. It reached blackmail. And I'm wondering, you see, I'm wondering to all the women and men out there who have kids, who have young girls, who is talking on the behalf of Maki. When you guys see this video that Maki just made, talking about porn, nude videos that Alicia Kim sent on his phone, and if you want it, and if it wasn't for YouTube, he would send it out and all those things. When you sit down and hear these things, how are you really feeling? Are you feeling your gut burning that maybe what if your daughter or your kids have pictures sent out to a man, and a man well, a man would post those things out there or tell people, oh yeah, a picture of your daughter, who are yeah, or whatever you want to call it. How would you feel if somebody tells on national TV that they have those kind of pictures of your daughter on their phones and is willing to show them and send them to other people, strange people? How would you feel if you hear that out of somebody's mouth? How would you really feel? And as a matter of fact, how are you feeling now knowing that Maki have those things on his phone and is telling people, oh yeah, she was telling you this about quick marriage. So hold on a little bit and listen to the lie what Maki tell. Maki say it's because of the nude pictures that Alicia Kim was sending to him why he have done all what he have done so quickly. So tell me something. Which one of this story is true? The one where the lady tell you about our good cheese, or is that lie story that you just tell about what make you move so fast? Listen to me good. You lie, you're wicked, and you is very, very dangerous. But to be honest with you, Alicia Kim life is in danger, blackmail, and all those kind of things. And I hope and pray that this is the last time. This is the last straw. I hope and pray that this is the last straw. Big up crew. All of the people who affiliated with Alicia Kim, who is connected to Alicia Kim, whatever you can do to help Alicia Kim. As a matter of fact, you see, the big up crew out there. I don't know if you want to put some money together to make Alicia Kim get a lawyer, or you want to farm a gang and get a lawyer upon your own. I think that would be a better idea. I believe uno should form a gang, get a lawyer on uno own, and make the lawyer deal with the situation on uno own. It can't work. Me know it can't work. Yeah, me know it can't work. It can't work. Because this man, this playing with this man, I go too far now. Till you swear it. Blackmail. Nude picture. Oh yeah. Him ready to send it. And I tell you the truth. I doubt if he not send it to people already. I doubt if him not send them nude picture go give people already. Tell you the truth. Me I tell you. Me I tell you. See, I doubt if people don't have their nude picture there, but people know say if them ever talk about them can't get in a trouble. You know think no man. Think no man. Guys, with that said, I will sooner later on. I will sooner later on for real. I will sooner. Me just can't believe this thing reached to this. After me been saying all of this. My viewers and subscribers, I will be back. But me have to cut this right now because me head hurt me. Me head hurt me. But I will be back.